When it comes to improving your home's functionality and aesthetic appeal, replacing doors is a simple yet impactful change. In a bustling and diverse city like Dallas, where architectural styles and weather conditions vary widely, door replacement requires careful consideration. Unfortunately, many homeowners make common mistakes during the process, leading to unnecessary expenses, frustration, and subpar results. Here, we outline these mistakes and provide actionable tips to avoid them. Neglecting to measure accurately. One of the most frequent errors in door replacement is failing to measure the doorframe correctly. Precision is critical for ensuring that the new door fits perfectly. A door that's too large or too small can lead to gaps, improper sealing, and energy inefficiency. How to avoid it? Always measure the height, width, and depth of the doorframe multiple times to ensure accuracy. Consider hiring a professional to take precise measurements if you're unsure. Ignoring local climate conditions. Dallas experiences hot summers, occasional cold snaps, and fluctuating humidity levels. Choosing a door material unsuited to these conditions can result in warping, cracking, or excessive wear over time. How to avoid it? Opt for weather-resistant materials like fiberglass or steel, which can withstand Dallas's variable climate. If you prefer wood for its classic look, ensure it's treated to resist moisture and heat. Focusing solely on aesthetics. While a beautiful door can enhance curb appeal, functionality and security should never take a backseat. Choosing a door purely for its appearance can result in a lack of durability or safety features. How to avoid it? Select a door that balances aesthetics with functionality. For instance, look for designs that incorporate sturdy construction, energy-efficient insulation, and high-security locks. Attempting DIY installation without expertise. Door replacement might seem like a manageable DIY project, but it often requires specialized skills. Incorrect installation can lead to misalignment, reduced energy efficiency, and compromised security. How to avoid it? Unless you have significant experience and the necessary tools, it's best to hire a professional installer. They can ensure that the door fits securely and operates smoothly. Overlooking energy efficiency. Dallas homeowners often face high energy bills due to the region's warm climate. Failing to select an energy-efficient door can lead to increased cooling costs and an uncomfortable indoor environment. How to avoid it? Look for doors with a high energy efficiency rating, such as those with insulated cores and weather stripping. Energy Star certified doors are a great choice for reducing energy consumption. Skimping on quality to save money. It's tempting to choose the cheapest door option, but this can be a costly mistake in the long run. Low-quality doors may require frequent repairs or replacements and might not provide adequate security or insulation. How to avoid it? Invest in a high-quality door from a reputable manufacturer. While the upfront cost may be higher, you'll save money over time through increased durability and energy efficiency. Forgetting to check building code. In Dallas, certain neighborhoods and homeowner associations, HOAs, may have specific regulations regarding door designs, materials, or colors. Ignoring these rules can lead to fines or the need for costly replacements. How to avoid it? Research local building codes and law guidelines before purchasing a new door. Consulting with a professional can help ensure compliance. Not considering security features. In a vibrant and populous city like Dallas, security is a top concern for homeowners. Choosing a door without adequate security features can leave your home vulnerable. How to avoid it? Prioritize doors with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and strong materials. Smart locks are another excellent option for added convenience and security. Skipping maintenance after installation. Even the highest quality doors require regular maintenance to remain in optimal condition. Neglecting this step can shorten the door's lifespan and lead to unexpected issues. How to avoid it? Follow the manufacturer's maintenance recommendations, such as cleaning, lubricating hinges, and inspecting weather stripping periodically. This is particularly important in Dallas's climate, where dirt and weather can take a toll. Conclusion. Replacing a door in Dallas is a worthwhile investment, but it requires thoughtful planning and execution. By avoiding common mistakes such as inaccurate measurements, neglecting climate considerations, and skimping on quality, you can ensure a successful door replacement project. Partnering with a professional installer and prioritizing durability, energy efficiency, and security will not only enhance your home's appearance but also provide long-term value. For expert guidance and high-quality door options tailored to Dallas homeowners, consider reaching out to trusted local professionals. A well-chosen and properly installed door can make all the difference in your home's comfort, style, and safety.